Hey guys, today we're going to be covering the pinch roller mini beam with the roll stand and rewinder. Before you start this machine, you're going to want to make sure that it's wired by an electrician such that the rewinder and the machine are wired into your panel and that you've got the polarity on the motor proper. Once you have that, you'll be able to simply turn on the breaker on the side and the machine will sound a buzzer to say that it has power. It's going to flash our logo, and then it's going to open to our main HMI screen, and it's going to say the oil pump is not running. Now, we will go ahead and hit oil pump start. From here, you'll hear the flywheel come up to a consistent pitch, so it's ready for operation, and you'll see that the rewinder starts to move. For the first setting, I'm going to demonstrate the manual setting mode. How that works is the operator will press start, the machine will make one cut, and it will be done. Next, I'll do the semi-automatic setting mode. This is where the operator presses the button, it does a compression, and then advances the pinch roller one time. Finally, I'll do the automatic cutting mode, and that's going to be a compression, an advancement of the pinch roller, and then another compression and an advancement of the pinch roller until your job count is met. So to demonstrate the manual, I'm going to turn this switch to the manual setting, which is vertical, and I'm going to hit start. And I'll do that one more time. Now I'll go to the semi-automatic mode. This is configured by your depth setting and your rising height, but additionally, this will change your automatic feed distance and speed, or feed speed and distance for the pinch rollers. This is useful if you have material that needs to be advanced slower or faster depending on rigidity. So we've already got this pre-configured, and we're going to hit start, and it's going to do a compression, advance the pinch rollers, and stop. And this pinch rollers will be spinning. So we'll show you that on the back side real quick. There we go. Finally, I'll show you the automatic mode. That'll be done by setting it to automatic. You'll do your job output setting. So we're going to keep it at five cuts. So we're going to hit 5 here, enter. Now we will start the machine. It's going to do 5 cuts with advancements of the pinch rollers, and then it will sound a buzzer when we've met the job count. From here, you will hit clear, and you can start a new job count if you want. While you're setting up your machine, you're going to have to set up your tension on the roll stand and the pinch roller according to your material. So play around with it a little bit, let it work out. The pinch rollers are configured so you can change the speed settings and the distance within the HMI. The tension settings on the rewinder are going to be set here with this dial. You'll be able to configure it to be more tense or less tense. On the roll stand itself, you have 2 features on the roll stand that you'll want to be paying attention to. One is the pneumatic toggles on these. You can slide your material over the drums, and when you add air to it, these toggles are going to come out and they're going to grab your roll to keep it from spinning. Additionally, you're going to have dials on the side, and depending on how you turn these dials, it'll add more or less tension. So as you're using your material, as you're getting comfortable with the cutting process on this, you may need to start tweaking these to make sure you have the right amount of tension in the front or in the back or during the cutting process. If you have any questions about service or a maintenance schedule, reach out to your Hammerhead technician. If you have any questions about design or whether or not this machine's any good for you, reach out to us here on the design team. We'll make sure that we get you what you need. Our goal, as always, is to make sure that we're getting you a press that has all the features that you're expecting, and we demonstrate usability in a way that you can train people to do it easily. Thank you.